Hello, and welcome to today's exploration of the meaning theory of media portrayal. Communication, as we know it, is a powerful tool that serves as a conduit for processing meanings. It's within the realm of individuals to create, interpret, and retain a sense of meaning through the content delivered by the media. The essence of meaning resides within people, and we connect it to the content presented by the media. In the vast landscape of communication, meaning is the thread that links readers, viewers, or listeners with the message. According to this theory, human behavior is a reflection of internal understandings, shaped by how individuals construct meanings for symbols, images, or events portrayed in the media. This process unfolds when culture provides shared interpretations for the media content. Participation in various communication processes continually shapes, reshapes, and stabilizes our meanings. The content presented by the media plays a pivotal role in shaping meaning and establishing shared interpretations among diverse audiences. Now, let's delve into the types of influences that media exerts on our collective understanding. We have establishment. This occurs when new words become ingrained in our language system through media. Take, for instance, the word tag. Now commonly used in social networking, its meaning, a label attached to someone or something for identification, has evolved through its usage on social platforms. We also have extension. Media has the power to expand definitions. Consider the English word wall, traditionally a vertical structure. In the context of social networking sites, it has been extended to mean an individual's profile page where updates and messages are shared. Then we have substitution. Media can displace older meanings. On Twitter, for instance, the term tweet now signifies a short message posted on someone's wall, completely displacing its original meaning, a weak, chirping sound of a small bird. Lastly, we have stabilization. This refers to the reinforcement of conventions between words, symbols, and their meanings. For example, the red rose with a green stem universally signifies love and passion. When media discusses love, the concept of a rose becomes inseparable, reinforces the meaning of love through this symbolic representation. In conclusion, the meaning theory of media portrayal highlights the dynamic interplay between communication, media content, and the construction of meaning in our collective consciousness. Thank you for joining us in unraveling the intricate web of meaning within media portrayal. Stay tuned for more insights into the fascinating world of communication theories.